Hi guys, hello everyone! Welcome back to my class. During our today's tutorial, I will teach you how to paint lovely character in watercolor style in Procreate. I prepared for you lots of custom brushes, stamp brushes, watercolor brushes, along with texture paper, color palette and my own pictures that I paint. You might use them for your own art projects. And guys, I hope you are ready, and if so, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil and let's paint together. And guys, I will be very thankful if you could follow me and share your own artworks in projects and sources section. Let's go! Hi guys, I'm Inga, freelance illustrator. Welcome back to my class and let's paint all together cool illustrations of characters in Procreate. We will paint 4 different pictures in completely different styles: traditional watercolor, comics, pastel and pencil styles. At the end of my class, you will learn more about Procreate and character design, especially how to use layers, clipping mask, alpha lock, selection tool, and how to add texture, volume and color variations to your picture. And most importantly, you will learn new painting techniques. You can use the illustrations you create for posting on Instagram, add it to your portfolio, or sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, and so on. Or just share it with someone whom you really like. I am sure they will be so happy to get their own portrait that is created by you. Today I want to show you that painting in different styles is so simple and it's real fun. And in the end of my class, you can see it. Today I will teach you how to create texture paper, how to use stamp brushes, how to paint picture without reference picture, how to use my and default Procreate brushes for painting, how to apply my new watercolor technique and how to apply pastel technique, what are the nuances you need to know if you want to create different styles illustrations, how to use alpha lock and clipping mask, how to add texture to your artwork. I will also show you how to add shades and highlights. I will show you my whole process from the start till finish. And as a bonus, I will share with you my texture paper, lots of custom brushes for creating portrait, 2 color palettes that I created. I will also add files of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use them for your own art projects. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners if you watched my previous classes, and experienced artists. Probably here you can find an inspiration and new ways how to create portraits in different styles. Your class project will be next. Create a character in any style using the tips and brushes that I gave you today. I will use Procreate for this class with iPad and Apple Pencil, so if you have it, or some other drawing pads, or just regular watercolor paper and paints, please join our class and good luck!